In this quick lesson, we're going to look at a relatively new filter available in Luminar 3 called Sunrays. This filter is available here in the Creative section of the Luminar Filters catalog. It's a bit different than most of the filters because it applies a new graphic onto the image. It's not just adjusting what's already in the image. When it's first placed into this sunset photo, a set of rays emanating from a point is applied. The really interesting thing about this filter is that it will automatically recognize objects in the photo and create, using a mask, a look of the rays being hidden behind certain objects. So first, to remove the center point of the rays, we need to click the Place Sun Center button here. That adds a handle that we can now click and drag on. Watch as I drag the center down towards the mountain. The rays below the center are reduced and eventually eliminated as I move further down. Over in the Edit panel, click the Place Sun Center button again to remove the handle. Below that, we have several sliders that are going to adjust the look of the rays, including how many there are, how long they'll reach out from the center, and their warmth. If I boost the warmth of these, they match the sunset in this photo better. Adjust the penetration slider down here to change the strength of the mask that was automatically applied. As I increase, this part of the sun and rays behind the mountain are revealed. Use the Randomize slider to change the placement and shape of the rays around their center. In this image, the sun is actually setting over to the right of the mountain. So we can drag the center of the sun rays over there rather than directly behind the mountain. The filter will interact differently with the clouds, making for a pretty realistic look to the filter. Using the adjustment sliders for the sun, we can actually add a sun into the image. So Sunrays is an interesting addition to the filters in Luminar that let us add to an image rather than just adjust or enhance the colors and brightness of what's already in an image. You can get Luminar for $10 off with the code TMU10. Thanks for watching.